Hello friends, welcome to InfoViz World. Let's do today paper boat. Let's take a white paper or any kind of color paper to make a paper boat. To make a big boat, you can take a big paper. Here I'm taking A4 size paper. Using this A4 size paper, I will make a square shape paper. So as shown in a video, you just need to make that A4 size paper to a square. So you can cut down the rest of the paper, but right now I am not cutting down the rest of the paper, keeping that rest of the paper also with the square shape. Once you have a square shape, you have to fold this paper vertically one time and horizontally one time as shown in a video. Isn't it simple? So after folding, you get a small square shape. So what you can do is at the corner you have to fold as shown in the video. Similar way, reverse the paper and fold it as previously. Once that has been done, just open at the center as shown in a video. Once you open at the center and close as shown in a video, it's almost done. And finally you just need to open it as shown in a video. Now your paper boat is ready. If you like this video and you want to watch more videos like this, please subscribe, comment, like InfoViz World. Thank you.